Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Diesel Hot Lap and we'll be performing a rear differential fluid change on a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2014 Overland. I believe all the WK2s mostly have the same process. There's a rear and a front differential. Do make sure you get the right oil for your vehicle because there's different kinds. A lot of people got away with using the 75W90 fluid in both differentials, but if you have the Hemi and the 3.6, there's different fluids. I think one's like the 7585, and then you also have the 90. So do make sure you know which one you're putting in the vehicle. The front differential calls for a 75-140 in the manual, so do keep marks of that. But we'll do that in the next video or a separate video. The things you'll need for this install is a 8mm hex to do the fill and drain plug. Make sure you have an oil can catcher or an oil catcher. And then you want to make sure you have some paper towels. I use shop towels. And then you want to go ahead and get a quart pump for the vehicle. So once we get it under the vehicle, we'll show you how to do these things. There's the fill, and there is the drain plug. Make sure that you loosen the fill port first because you do not want fluid to drain out immediately. Make sure you break it loose with a 8mm hex, and then you want to go ahead and untighten it with your hands. There shouldn't be any fluid that comes out here. It should be the drain plug. The drain plug is where you will be able to drain the fluid. Make sure you get your oil can catcher there, and then you should be able to empty out the fluid. Due to how many times you change this out, you shouldn't have any issues with getting all the fluid out. It's better to do it in a warmer time. That way the liquid is a little bit thinner. I had to do it during winter, but I was able to heat up the garage enough to allow this liquid to fully get out. And then whenever you're done with that, clean off the fill or the drain plug, and then put some high temp adhesive on the threads. You don't have to do it on all the threads, just a little bit of it, and then it should spread out throughout there. There is a torque you have to torque this down to, but as long as you feel like it's hand tight, do not over tighten this because it will strip the threads potentially. We're not going to go ahead and put the brake cleaner on yet. We're just going to go ahead and fill it. When you're on the stage of filling up the differential, you want to go ahead and pump out, I think it's 1.2 quarts into this differential. And then whenever it is completely full, you'll start seeing it slowly drip out of that hole, and that's when you know that it's completely filled. You just let it drain for a little bit, and then you should be good to go. Put that high temp adhesive on the threads, and then you want to go ahead and make it snug. And then you should be completely done with the rear differential fluid change. I just continue going through this process if you want to stick around on the video to watch it. But thanks for watching the video, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.